Hi, I'm Matilda and I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer of internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link in the description down below to find out more information on the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you are interested in the topics that I am sharing, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of the uses and benefits of Myrrh Essential Oil. Myrrh is most commonly known as one of the gifts that the three wise men brought to Jesus, along with gold and frankincense in the New Testament when he was born. It was actually mentioned in the Bible 152 times. In fact, myrrh works very well with frankincense when it comes to their anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and anti-tumoral properties. Now let's take a look at some of the research studies we have. In a study done in 2019 that says that the main chemical constituents of frankincense and myrrh are terpenoids and essential oils. Their common pharmacological effects are anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer. More interestingly, in traditional Chinese medicine, frankincense and myrrh have been combined as drug pairs in the same prescription for thousands of years, and their combination has a better therapeutic effect on diseases than a single drug. And in another study done in 2020, it mentioned here that frankincense and myrrh are used as traditional anti-inflammatory and analgesic medicines in China. It has been reported that frankincense and myrrh have significant anti-tumor activities. So myrrh essential oil is still commonly used today as a remedy for a variety of ailments. Both myrrh and copaiba have one of the highest constituents in anti-inflammatory properties. So what's considered inflammation? Itchy scalp, injury with redness and swelling, sore throat, internal inflammation due to bad dietary choices or lifestyle habits. All these are some form of inflammation. If you like this video that you're watching, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash the like button and share it with your friends. Now let's take a look at what are some of the benefits and uses of myrrh essential oil. Number 1, myrrh is a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative damage. Oxidizing damage from free radicals contribute to aging and some illnesses. A test tube study found that myrrh essential oil was more effective in combating free radicals than the powerful antioxidant vitamin E. Hence, it may be beneficial to add myrrh to your skincare routine to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Number 2, skin health. Traditional uses of myrrh include the treatment of skin blemishes and infections that can range from allergies such as eczema to skin conditions like athlete's foot. In vitro studies of human skin cells have shown that an essential oil blend containing myrrh helps with wound healing. Another study found that using myrrh and other essential oils via a bath helped mothers heal skin wounds after vaginal delivery. Myrrh may also help to smooth out stretch marks. Number 3, fungal infections. Historically, myrrh has been used to heal wounds and prevent infections. You can continue to use myrrh for mild fungal infections such as athlete's foot or nail fungus, bad breath, ringworms, and acne. Number 4, expel phlegm. There was once when I had a really bad cough, and no matter what I tried, I continued to cough till I applied myrrh on my chest and upper back. In less than 15 minutes, I coughed out a golf ball size of phlegm, and the cough went away soon after. Number 5, antiseptic gargle. Myrrh's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help relieve inflammation of the mouth and gums caused by diseases such as periodontitis and mouth ulcer. It can also be used as mouthwash to help prevent periodontal disease. It can also refresh your breath and is often used as an ingredient in mouthwash and toothpaste. Eucalyptus and tea tree will make good additions to an antiseptic mouthwash as well. Do check out my other videos on eucalyptus and tea tree after you have finished this video. Their links are in the description down below. Number 6, inflamed scalp. As mentioned earlier, myrrh is one of the best essential oil for its anti-inflammatory action. Hence, if you have an inflamed scalp, whether it's itchy or red, you can make a serum with myrrh and a carrier oil, or add it to your chemical-free shampoo to reduce the inflammation and discomfort. Copaiba is another essential oil that you can use. Do check out my other video on copaiba in the link above or in the description down below after you have finished this video. Number 7, pain relief. Myrrh essential oil contains compounds that interact with opioid receptors and tell the brain that they are painless. Myrrh also blocks the production of inflammatory chemicals that can cause swelling and pain. The next time you experience a back pain or some kind of injury, I'd recommend you create a blend consisting of wintergreen, peppermint, and myrrh, or layer these oils on the affected area. Number 8. Kills parasites. If you suspect you have a parasite infection, you may wish to give myrrh a try. If you'd like to learn more about what other essential oils are good for parasites, do check out my other video on parasites in the link above and in the description down below as well. Number 9. Thyroid. If you are suffering from thyroid, myrrh might be able to help. Apply 2 to 3 drops directly onto the thyroid area daily to help decrease the symptoms. Number 10. Hemorrhoids and ulcers. Whether you are suffering from hemorrhoids, aka piles, or ulcers, applying 2 to 3 drops topically onto the affected area might help ease the discomfort. When using myrrh, I recommend you use it topically and via inhalation. Avoid during pregnancy. However, as myrrh helps with labor, you may use it during childbirth, but not during the pregnancy term. That's all I have to share about myrrh today. If you like what I have just shared, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share today. I really appreciate you being here today. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.